Hey guys, it's Adriana from AdDoLab here, and today I'm going to talk about a very low budget way to promote your products on your Shopify store. So this is going to surprise you, but it's actually to create a blog on your Shopify store. This is something that a lot of people don't do because it takes a lot of time to write blog articles, but it has so much potential and it can really drive a lot of traffic to your store organically without any advertising. So this is definitely something that you'll want to try out because it has a lot of growth potential for you. And one of the best ways you can do this is just by starting. Write one blog article a week. Don't make it too overwhelming for you. And just start out by targeting keywords that are within your niche. So for example, if you have a Shopify store that sells artisanal chocolates, of course you're gonna wanna write lots and lots of blog articles related to chocolate, all things chocolate from every angle. Artisanal chocolate, how they're created, what's the process, different flavors. You can also feature new product arrivals and tell people about your brand. So this is a great way to get new customers to come to your store, because if you actually start ranking for these keywords such as artisanal chocolate or, I don't know, bourbon chocolate, different flavors, then you can get people to see you on Google search results. So this is incredible because while other people are spending lots and lots of money advertising on Google, you can actually show up in search results organically and get people to click on your search listing. That's amazing because it can drive a lot of traffic to your store and your product page. And blogging is an amazing way to create a loyal following of people that will want to come back to your website to see what you have to say about that certain niche. Another great thing about blogging on your Shopify store is that Shopify actually has the blogging feature natively built into your Shopify store. So you don't have to create a blog, you don't have to hire a programmer. You just go to your admin panel and you can just start blogging today actually. So definitely give this some thought and don't overthink it though. Just start and write something that you want to write about that makes you interested in your business and something that maybe other people might find interesting about your business. One last tip is that you can show your products in action on your blog. So if you have a product that people want to learn more about, such as a tea that's detoxifying or some yoga clothes, or also maybe a kettlebell that is specially equipped just for women, then you'll want to show these products in action and show them being used by people. You can show nice photographs or even include a video. And this is all great stuff that people will want to come back to your website, and you can create repeat customers this way by having people subscribe to your newsletter, and then you can send them blog articles as well. So this has been my one strategy for improving your Shopify store and increasing traffic and promoting your products. And if you'd like to see more ways, more strategies for promoting your products with a zero budget, definitely check the link down below and we'll put a link there. Thanks so much for watching, guys.